So today we're going to show you how to install the right and left side camera cleaners from ClearVU. Alright guys, so we have the fender arches off. We have a right side and a left side on the template. Just like this, matches the contour of the outline of the plastic there. This tells you exactly where to drill. This is a great system that is integrated with our ClearVU rear camera cleaning system for the fender cameras. So right now we're using a step drill. We're going to the 5/16, so we'll double check this. This is 5/16. We're then going to flip this over. We're going to want to make sure the orifice is spraying directly at the camera. So we're going to put our sprayer in. Fits great. Awesome. You can always adjust it when we wrap it up here. We're going to then put our nut on the back of this. We're going to use a 1/2-inch wrench to tighten up the nut on it. Okay, now that you have the sprayer on, so we're going to route the line from our fender, chase it back to the pump. So this is very easy. You're going to see right here, there's a hole where, you know, we're going to run the line. I don't know if you can see my finger in there, but very simply, we're going to, and boom, there's our line. We'll leave a little bit like hanging off like this. You're gonna want to avoid any moving components. So we're gonna actually just tuck this right underneath here, avoiding the wiper arm that goes back and forth on the Cybertruck. We'll then chase the OEM wiper hose. We'll use a couple zip ties. Okay, so once we have the line ran to the pump area here, we're going to tee off into our existing passenger side sprayer. So this truck already has our ClearVU backup camera cleaning system right here. That's this tee right here. We did tee in for our passenger side already. This is a 3-foot hose that's included in your kit. Same thing like we did on the driver's side. We're gonna feed it through. Use your arm, there's enough space, you can reach your arm right in. Come out the other side, leave a little bit of slack. Okay, so now that we have our hose ran on this side, we're just gonna make this, we have a little bit of extra here, we're gonna make this the same length as our wiring loom right there. Put that aside. we're then going to attach our hose to the spray nozzle. Okay, like so. We're then going to attach our camera back on. And very simply, just as we took it off, fasten it back on the vehicle. And then we're going to come on the passenger side and do the same thing. So we're then going to put our passenger side sprayer in, just like so, pointing directly at the camera. Same thing we did on the driver's side. Our hose is cut just about the same length as the wiring loom that comes out for the camera. We're going to, once again, attach our hose to the sprayer, reattach our camera. If you need any adjustment on the sprayers, if you go to hit your camera cleaner, 1/2-inch wrench, super adjustable. You know, you can adjust it either way you want based on where it's hitting. But if you just line up the sprayer right to the camera right there, you should be in pretty good shape.
Okay, so you'll notice when you hop back in the vehicle and all the cameras you just unplugged are now black. Don't panic, there's a way to fix it. So we are going to go into software, hold down on the logo, and then type service. Read this before you enter. Then we're going to go to driver assist, cameras. You'll notice the left and right fender cameras are dropped or unavailable. We're going to go reset driver assist system, run, follow the prompt. Reset DAS, successful. We'll come back here and give it a minute. And the cameras are back online. So now you can go here, hold this down, and you'll exit service mode. Now your cameras work again.
All right, guys, now that we have our system installed here, for the side camera cleaners, we're going to include this pressure regulator. This will basically fine-tune your sprayer, how powerful you want the jets. So that's included in our kit on our website. So now we'll show you just the vehicle and the side cameras fully assembled here. We have our factory front camera cleaner, our ClearVU rear camera cleaner, and then our 2 side camera cleaners here. And this is a great product for self-driving mode. So this client uses self-driving feature all the time. And whenever the cameras, especially on the fenders, get dirty, the whole system just shuts down. You can't have it in self-driving mode, and the person had to get out, clean the camera off with their thumb. Utilizing ClearVue's full camera cleaning system, this person's able to hide in self-driving mode without having to worry of it shutting down and having to get out of the car and clean that camera off.